shop for household items. We're going to IKEA, and this kind of like window shopping slash shopping.
Mommy,
I'm hoping to get a few good deals because this is Black Friday.
Mommy! Sometimes shopping and Daddy gets sleeping every day and it's a chicken.
Can you go and wake Daddy up?
No.
So while I'm doing this intro, getting ready and doing my skincare routine for the morning.
Mommy, what are you doing?
I'm putting moisturizer on my face. Can I bring tissue? Let's clean your nose.
No. Next time I sleep like that.
Yeah. You slept at... Hi beautiful people, how are you guys doing? Welcome to today's vlog. Today I'm doing city waka with my people. Let me show you. So guys, going out with my husband like this, I'm backing this way because I'm having more lights from this end while he'll be taking out for our bus. Going out with my husband like this is flex. It doesn't always happen. Like I think this is like 2 or 3 times that me and my husband are actually going out together. Babe, so like 3 times came by Roboda. It's either he is with the kids or I'm with the kids. It's just a few times that we've had the chance to go out together like this. So I'm going to savor this opportunity. Okay, so follow us to IKEA to go and buy furniture or to do window shopping, whichever one it is, and I'll show you guys as we go. We are going to be going from this bus to tram and metro. I'll try to follow you guys. I will carry you guys along. Okay, this is how you walk if you are the wife of a finished man. Come with me. One more thing, the finished man was the one who recorded the video. Cheers guys! Guys, we just got to this middle of England and got off the tram. We've taken the first bus to the place where we entered the tram, and we just got off the tram. We just had to book a cab from here because the cold outside is not laughing. So we're waiting for the cab to come. The driver is on the way and we'll be here in 2 minutes. I just hope that we're on the right side of the road though. Alright guys, I'll see you guys. Getting Jasmine. Jasmine, over here. Yes. Getting now. I should find the rest of it. Jasmine, that's not fair. Oh, yeah, hold it. So guys, we got to IKEA and the major things that we're looking out for are sofas, beddings, TV stand and a few other furniture around the house. So I saw this very nice sofa. I really loved it, but the price was not priced in one, and two, the style of sofa we needed for the house, that's not what it is. We needed a sofa bed, but this one is not. So we went around, and we first of all went to the reshop and reuse section, right? Since we didn't find anything, we continued looking around the entire place to see things we could find. Yeah, so I saw this really cute chest of drawers, like very beautiful chest of drawers, if I say so myself. Very beautiful. Yeah, this looks like the type I had in Nigeria and all for my kids. Very beautiful. But anyway, chest of drawers was not on the top of our list, so we now went to the other sections. I'm sure she wants to check for kids table and chair, because the table and chair we ordered from Amazon, I had to return it because it just started cracking after a few days, and also it just wasn't working anymore. I had to return it, so we're looking for another set of chair. There are so many household furnishing and household items stores in the UK. So many of them, B&M, Home Bargain, and a lot of other stores that sells things for the house. But you see, when it comes to furnitures, I have seen other quality of furnitures, different brands, but there's something about this IKEA brand. IKEA is just a wonderful brand when it comes to making the most out of your living space, small or big. Like, I saw different types of furnitures. Like, I love the fact that IKEA is concerned about space management, which is what everybody is concerned about here in the UK, because of furnishing houses and how small their their houses are. Everyone is trying to maximize space. So I think what I'm trying to say is just that let's leave this whole furniture thingy for IKEA. Anyways, I found the table and chair I was looking for my kids. I kept on looking. I saw this very cute bed. Like, these beds could extend and grow with your children. Anyway, we've already gotten bunk bed for the kids. We're looking at this and like... Anyway, this is the cutest ad I've ever seen. Like, this advert says it all, before and after. Like, this is premium commercial. They don't need to talk too much. They've just shown you everything that they need to show you. So when it comes to organizing your house, keeping your house tidy, and putting all the details together, let's just leave it for IKEA. At this point, we were all getting very tired and we've really not found anything. My husband was already like, what, let's be going if there is nothing. And I told him to chill. If I didn't see anything to buy, at least let me eat food first. Guys. So we queued up to get food from the Swedish restaurant there at IKEA. Anyway, backstory to this is that my colleague at work has already informed me that anytime that we go to IKEA, that I should eat their meatballs. So I just called her to confirm, and she said, yep, go for the meatballs. And here we go. I ordered the meatballs for myself and also for Jasmine. And my husband ordered some roasts, potato roast and all. So assuming what you're going through is not going through you eat first. It's somebody that is alive that will live to tell the story. So we had our lunch and it was really yum. The food is so nice. If you go to IKEA with your kids or yourself, please do well to have their meatballs. It's so yum. And they also have meal deals for kids, which is great. Comes with a glass of juice and a piece of fruit. So here you go. That was Jasmine and his father doing boyfriend and girlfriend things. Can you imagine? Doing love bed things right before me. Imagine how you're collecting something from someone's husband. Jasmine. Now what? Rishi. Anyway, at this point, I was very exhausted. Very, very exhausted. And I just said, let me allow these people to do their love. I beg. You want to have a bite of my apple? Thank you. Aww. Thank you, guys. So, guys, after doing this window shopping, we didn't find anything new. After much, so we got tired. We were about to leave, and my husband said, "Let's go and check that shop and reuse section again before leaving." Lo and behold, we found this brand new TV stand. You know, it was discounted. I think the new one goes for about almost £200, but we got it for £50. While this bench, we got this bench for I think £12 or £10 each. I think about £12. And then this flower, the flower is still brand new. However, the packaging was destroyed and they just brought it out and removed £15 from it, so it was about £35. So guys, at this point, husband man was exhausted and it was definitely time to go. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.